Today we're going to be looking at the first prelude of Bach in C major. This is a piece that's part of a series of preludes and fugues that Bach wrote for his well-tempered clavier suite. It's a series of 48 pieces amongst 2 books, and this is the first of that series. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment below, and here we go. This is where I'll stop. So there's clearly a lot of material that's being repeated here, and we can use that to our advantage. Okay, what we'd like to start with is the right hand here. Now this piece is broken up, as you no doubt have noticed. The easiest way to learn this right off the bat to keep your life a little easier is in chord form. So 1, 2, and 4 begins the piece in the right hand. So instead of playing it one by one, play it as a chord. That takes care of the first bar. Next, all of these notes move up by step and you get 1, 3, and 5. Next bar, the thumb moves down, everything else stays put. 1, 3, 5 again. And then we finish off by returning to the first chord we had in the beginning. 1, 2, and 4. So take a moment to learn that. Once you feel comfortable with that, we can add the left hand in. Now the left hand has 3 and 1 to begin. First bar. Second bar. Third bar. And back to 3 and 1 for the fourth. So what we have is 3 and 1 in the left. Then change. 3 and 2 in the left. Change everything. 4 and 2 in the left. And back to 3 and 1 in the left. Take some time and learn that, and once you're comfortable with it, we can break it up into the sequence as is written. What we have is this. From the bottom, and we work our way to the top. Going through all the notes that you learned from the chord. Once you get to the top, you repeat the right hand. Like that. And this is the same pattern that you see in every single bar of this music. Bottom to top, repeat the right, and then bottom to top, right repeats, bottom to top, repeats. And once you get comfortable with it, there should be no breaks. It's just a constant train of 16ths. But there's no break anywhere. So while you're learning it, it's absolutely natural that you're going to have, and then you think and pause and wonder, okay, what's next? Okay, this one. So once you get through that bit where you feel comfortable with every transition, eliminate any pauses and spaces between the bars so you get a consistent, uninterrupted train and 16th notes. And that's essentially how the whole piece goes. Okay, that takes care of the first full phrase of the piece. And if you'd like to continue learning it, visit our website, start your free trial there, and finish the work. Okay, that will be that. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.